Kenzie here from Layton Sports Cards, ripping 2 personals of 2021 Bowman Chrome Lite for Daniel C. Good luck, Daniel. Here we go. Empty. All right, good luck. We've got a speckle of Rodriguez first. Torque, Clausen. We've got a Summer Camp refractor, Riley Green. 40-man Futures refractor, Emerson Hancock. Armando Cruz first, and Kerstad. A Blias first, Lice, as nice one there. Acosta first, and Ramirez first. Forty-man Futures refractor, Cespedes. Refractor out of 499, Jared Duran. Black and white diamond, a Pedro Leon first. Nice one there, Astros. A Dawn of Glory, Winbay. Meyer, Hassel. Summer Camp refractor, Zach Veen. A Pineda black and white diamond first, Ace. Santana first, and Medina first. Forty-man Futures refractor, Cole Wilcox. We've got a purple shimmer of CJ Abrams out of 250, Padres. Black and white of Christian Robinson, Detmers, and Perez. Last pack of box 1 for you, Daniel. Nice name on the back. Refractor 40-man Futures, Ed Howard. Yiddy Cape, and a Christian Hernandez. Great last pack to finish off that first box. All right, box number 2, Daniel. Empty. Again, just a small queue after this. We've got a Optic first off the line basketball, and then don't believe any more after that. So about a 15-minute queue if you were to order right now. Got a black and white Acosta, Cuero first, and Correas first. We've got a refractor Summer Camp, Nick Gonzalez. 40-man Futures, Matthew Allen. Nunez first, and a Polanco first. A Mojica first, black and white. Jeter Downs, and a Starlin Aguilar first. That was a nice first box, huh? Nice. 40-man Futures, Austin Martin refractor. Amaya, Zach Bean. We've got a speckle out of 299, Asa Lacy. Black and white, Luis Rodriguez. There you go. Nice one there for you, Daniel. Pulled a gold shimmer out of a Bowman Chrome Choice earlier. Auto of his. Tyler Stevenson, rookie refractor out of 499. One of the first boxes of the night, too. Summer Camp refractor, Brennan Davis. A Yerbina, black and white first. Costa, Riley Green. '40-man Futures refractor, Reed Detmers. Luis Rodriguez first, and Mojica first. All right, 2 packs left, Daniel. Nice 2 boxes so far. Got a purple Ed Howard out of 250. Nice one there. Torbillo first, black and white. Another Torbillo. And Yerbina. All right. Last pack here for you, Daniel. Thanks again. '40-man Futures, Austin Hendricks. Refractor. Freeman and Brennan Davis. Congrats on those boxes. Thanks again, Daniel. We'll be getting that out to you shortly.